Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to fix not getting email on Gmail. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So first we tap on Gmail account and you will tap on three lines of top corner and tap on settings and tap on email preference and turn on enable dynamic emails and tap on email notifications and tick on first option and your problem is solved. So yeah guys, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.